Welcome to RP Guru Tech Talk, the ultimate destination for all things tech. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, join the community of tech enthusiasts and start learning today with us. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.
If you have seen my other videos, I've told you that Canva gives you a free sign-up option where you can create a free account, and it allows you to use creation of designs for simple ones, unless you want to use some special of their special designs which require their templates, which are for subscription only. Otherwise, you can create any type of designs, and it's as good as a paid version. So let's start. I'm going to create a video. It'll be a one-page video. So I'm going to put some elements here. So you want to put a background where let's say you want to put a color here. So for now, let's put a blue background. That might be too bright. So let's see. This is better. So now I've created a background in a color, and now I'll add some elements which may be relevant for your YouTube channel videos. So let's see, for this demo purposes, let me create something simple. Maybe like if I might be talking about career or stock market, so this might be useful for that kind of a requirement. So I'll create this, and I'll put it over here. And maybe you want to have anything else. You don't want to put anything else. Probably you want to put some text. Let's say I'm going to say tech talk, and let's make this 60. And now I have my background. Let's animate this. So I'm going to do an exaggerated animation. I'm not sure. Should that make sense? So let's see. Maybe have a breathe, just like that. I mean, I have this video now. So it's a one-page video. I'm going to download it. It's an MP4 video I'm going to download. And there you go. So you're all set. So I have a new background. This is how you create your virtual background, and pretty professional. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.